Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now, if you remember in our yesterday analysis video, while speaking about Nifty, I said my view about the market is bearish. Our expectation was there is a trend line here. If market comes out of the zone, retest gives a breakdown. We can plan for a put option trade because there is no stop loss hunting level on top. But what happened? Market opened with a gap up. Slowly started to move towards the upside. It also gave a breakout. Now, when market is moving opposite to what we are thinking, what we should do, we have to patiently wait for opportunity. Today morning in our private telegram group around 9:24, I had shared important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, where I said traders, the support and resistance level for the day is too big for Bank Nifty today. As premiums are high, Bank Nifty might play within this range for a while, because when premiums are high, market has to trap both call option and put option buyers. And for Nifty also, I had said that 22,830 can act as the first resistance for the day. Now, since market was going opposite to what we were thinking, we were just waiting for our setup. Next at 10:17, I shared this 3-minute video explaining about my view about Nifty and Bank Nifty. While speaking about Bank Nifty, I said that as of now, Bank Nifty is under consolidation range. After consolidation, both the side movement is possible. Since our view is bearish, my expectation is Bank Nifty can move towards the upside, break this level. From the upper level, we can see a momentum towards the downside. While speaking about Nifty also, my expectation was since there is no stop loss hunting, Nifty can move towards the downside. Even if Nifty starts moving towards the upside, from the upper level, we can see a momentum towards the downside. So we were looking for only bearish setup today. Now later point of day, I shared the screenshot also explaining about probability of what can happen next. This is my view. If Nifty breaks the supporting trend line, this will give us more confidence to enter a put option trade. If Nifty continues to move up, then we will extend the supporting trend line and wait for breakdown. So this is the trend line. We will just extend this, later wait for a breakdown. So when market started to give me more confidence about the setup, somewhere around 11:22, I shared this screenshot. Nifty has broken the trend line. Small stop loss here, risk is small, I am ready to take the risk. So if you open Nifty chart, you can see from 11:22, this is the range. Nifty fell close to 215 points. So this was a very nice trade for us. Close to 140 points movement also we could see in 22,900 premium chart, which was at the money at the time when we discussed. So later when profit was decent, somewhere around 11:50, we said we are going to exit from the market. So it's a good decision that we exited from the market at this particular area without being greedy. Later point of day, market just consolidated within a range, trapping both call option and put option buyers and closed. So this was about today's trade. Now let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading plan we can have for tomorrow. Traders, this is chart of Nifty 5 minutes time frame. On this chart, we have drawn a trend line here because this is acting as a good supporting area. Even today, this is the place from where Nifty started bouncing. Now to a certain extent, we can say today the whole day Nifty was trading within a range. The range which we have drawn here is 22,850 to 22,650. Now this is a 200 points range. Now within this range, anywhere the market opens, it would be very difficult for us to identify the trend of the market. At the upper level there are sellers sitting, at the lower level there are buyers sitting. When I say sellers, it means put option buyers. At the lower level is call option buyers. Now as long as market is trading within this range, it is not good for us to plan for any kind of trade. But let's say market opened with a gap up. That time what would happen? People who entered put option, all their stop loss is gone, so there is no other stop loss level on top, and here we have a psychological level which is 23,000. If market opens with gap up, what would happen is people who entered call option, they would already be in profit. That too, tomorrow is Friday, so quickly they might start booking their profit because it is near 23,000 resistance. Because of that, a correction in market is expected. That is why at this upper level, during this gap up, there can be an opportunity on the put option side in Nifty. The first target will be 22,895 and second target will be turn breakdown, which is 22,859. Now after this, will this trend continue? That we are not sure. That is why either we need to book our profit here and then just keep trailing our stop loss if we are confident on the put side. Same way, if market opens with small gap down here or here, we have already discussed this is a range where market is trapping both call option and put option buyers, we will not plan for any kind of trade. But let's say market opened with a bigger gap down here. What we would do is from swing low to swing high, we will draw the Fibonacci level. As of now in the market, it is moving in a uptrend. Now the next support in the market can be 0.236 level of Fibonacci, which is 22,521. So here market can correct a bit. Looking at this breakdown, many people might enter put option. After trapping enough number of put option buyers, market can start reversing. So within this zone, if I are getting any W pattern breakout setup or consolidation breakout, at this time, with small stop loss, we can consider a call option. As of now, it is better that we do not complicate tomorrow's trade. Within this zone, if market is consolidating, better to avoid. But in case at the upper level, if it comes out, to reduce the profit of buyers who are here, market can start correcting, and to give confidence for put option buyers saying that, okay, market is reversing, let me hold. After reversing enough, later point of time, market can reverse. So this movement is what we are trying to capture. Same thing if market opens with a gap down. People who entered call, they would be in loss during this gap down. People who entered put at the upper level, they might start seeing some profit. To reduce their profit and to give confidence to call option buyers, market can reverse. Later from here, it can correct. Now I think tomorrow RBI is going to have their MPC meeting where they are going to discuss about interest rate cut. As of now, our expectation is we are not going to make any changes to our interest rate as long as there is any change in the US market, right? First, if US market cut down the interest rate, later we can expect the same in our next meeting. So there is a chance that this RBI meeting can be a non-event, but still we will closely keep a track of this so that during the live market, it is going to be useful for us. Also tomorrow we will be discussing about important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty in our private Telegram group. Based on that, we can see what kind of opportunities we have in the market. So this is about Nifty. Let's look into Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty chart, 15 minutes time frame. Now after this continuous momentum towards the upside, today Bank Nifty has held on to a range. Today it was just trading within 600 points range. Now here I have marked a level because today this is where Bank Nifty fell. Previously this was the area from where there was continuous movement in Bank Nifty, and also this was previous resistance area. Tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens exactly near where it closed today and just consolidates, planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea. But in case it opens with a gap up near this previous resistance level, and if it consolidates, gives a breakout, then with small stop loss we can be looking for a call option trade. Our expectation is from 0.618 level, market has to reverse. But if it opens with a gap up, people who entered put option trade here, they would be in trouble. And if it consolidates, many people might consider this level as a resistance and enter. After attracting enough number of put option buyers, market can move towards the upside to reach 50,000 level. Tomorrow if market opens flat or gap down, consolidates within the zone and gives a breakdown, then with small stop loss we can plan for a put. What area is this? This is 49,000 psychological level. Previously this area was acting as resistance, now it is acting as support. Now simply what we can do is from recent swing low to swing high, we will draw the Fibonacci. Exactly at 49,000, if you're not willing to enter, then you can wait for some time and let the market break 236 level of Fibonacci, which is 48,890. So at this zone, after this breakdown with small stop loss, we can plan for a put option trade where our first target will be 48,580. After this, trailing our stop loss is important because we will be coming near a psychological level which is 48,500. So as much as possible, we have to keep trailing our stop loss, and the final target towards the downside will be 48,429. Expectation is up to 382 level of Fibonacci. Market can come later, it can reverse. See here, what you see is a flag pattern, right? People might be expecting a breakout, but if breakdown happens, I'll clear this for you. If breakdown happens, people will not be interested for a call option trade because flag pattern has converted to a failure. After attracting more put option buyers, later from this zone market can reverse. That is why this is the area when this breakdown happens, when many people are thinking of entering put option trade, our plan will be to look for a reversal setup like W pattern or consolidation breakout setup near this 382 level of Fibonacci area. In case market opens with extreme gap up or extreme gap down, then I think we need to wait for some time and plan for a reversal setup where market can from the upper level move towards the downside to fill the gap, and from the lower level move towards the upside to fill the gap. When market opens with gap down, what will happen? People will start booking profit and exiting, right? And to give confidence to put option buyers, market will correct. Later it can reverse. That is a different story, but this is the reversal setup which we are trying to capture in the market. Further details will be shared tomorrow morning in our free Telegram group. Live market update will be shared in the private Telegram group. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.